behind the bench. All my balls in the bag.
Oh, you're the other 15 more to make it to the lake.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Captain!
Captain! Amen. You got amen. Amen.
Full time! 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, sweet. You gotta late, the rosters are like right next to where we're at. Somebody's late, shows up late with the roster. Okay, never know.
No, you get paid more on things like timber stuff.
Play! Go Billy! Get it going!
Like they're looking, you do towards it's 32. And you know, you do kids, I told them kids is like 10, then that's like 16 bucks or something.
You're fine! The guy on the other side is not on the line with the last defender. He's like 10 yards behind. We're going to start this all over.
Great idea, Matt. Like it. Hang on to the kid. Come on, Mohammed.
Alright, GQ, find space.
Back to back.
Step in. Look in front of you. Come on, Mwami. A little tighter, Mwami. Back. On that. Good, Jacob.
No, sometimes they do like
Ben, you gotta get up.
I'm just waiting for the disco so I can buy the other ones. But just like,
Be aware what's behind you, Mwami. Beckett.
yeah, sometimes you just like
Get to the ball, GQ.
Come back.
Good, Isaka.
1, 2, 3 seconds!
Ben, why are you 10 yards behind the rest of the back four?
1, 2, 3, AFC!
Up.
no, 35.
These are 40s that wouldn't even
Take care of the ball, guys.
Go, Matt! Go! First goal of the season, here we go. Get it out! Have it! No!
Hey, take control of the ball.
No shot! Come on, have it!
Brigham, you and Mwami sort out our shape. Brigham, you should be with Ben and Ben should be high. Ben, high and wide. Forward, DQ. talk, Joey. Way to talk. Way to talk, Will. Connor, 3 hard tackles.
Get up, man.
Switch, go. Up, Henry. Connor, can you step there? Christian, if Eli's making a run, you're back.
Expand, Matt, expand.
Jacob! Connor, 3 hard tackles.
Can we get the flag off? You've got to be with the last defender, sir.
Well done, Levi, well done. Way to talk, Jimmy. Cam, good job talking. Good job.
Very good. Concentrate on
Early.
technique.
Put it in early. Early.
Stay on your feet, Awami. Stay on your feet.
They are 13 years old.
Brigham, your man's to your left. Ben, your man's behind you. Slide out, Henry. You've got to drop now, Brigham.
I know. Connor, stronger. Hey, Beckett, you can't just run on. The ref has to wave you on. So wait at midfield. Go, Connor.
Back 4.
Eli, quicker.
Working on dropping, holding and stepping. Suck up.
Connor, show for him.
Tough to get on the ball there.
Strong, Isaiah. Give yourself a
Drive
yard.
it in the air.
Take the acres to move into. You don't need to play off the last line.
Levi, that's why you need to be wide.
Unlucky, Sebby. Keep your hands down, son.
You run away.
Back 4. If he's looking to kick, we're dropping.
Put it in.
Drop. Gotta win it, GQ. Gotta win it. Hey,
Run the halfway line. Put it in. Push it up. You've already achieved build out. Don't need to build
Bill,
out
head on a
anymore.
swivel,
They
gotta see the
got
runners,
that one in without even making a pass.
Connor, talk to him. Tell him about the runner.
you gotta do better dealing with the ball
Eli, talk
between
to
the
Christian,
legs.
balance.
GQ, why are you slowing down?
Well done, Levi. Well done.
Up, Henry! Where are you going?
Connor. Connor. Well done, Will.
Stop watching the ball!
Christian E-line balance. Connor. Come on, hit your tackles. Will, you can cheat up a little. Good ball, Connor. No turn, Will. On him. No turn. Christian, you got to be back and helping.
Up with him, Wami!
Go, Connor, go. Connor, you got to run through that, not stop. Run through it.
Henry, well done. It's up here, so it's tough.
Well
but
done,
it would
Connor.
have been on the line. Unlucky. Hey, we got to work as a group. No one's talking. Brigham, you got any idea where your man is then?
Throw! Don't stop! Oh.
Stand back.
Sub.
Got to be wider.
Go! Go!
Why did Chunk stop? Did you just say out?
Son! Ref!
Zayo!
Connor, keep working, buddy. Good job. Wami, Saka, Brigham, who have we got?
Boys up!
Henry, no one back there.
Beckett!
Five in like one. Like 10. Not even 10. Nice. Every time you send it through, they cannot defend a football to save off.
When you go, it's still going to go in like another 10 minutes for me. Yeah.
If he's going to kick it, we get up. We've completely forgotten what we've done the last 6 weeks. We are brain dead today, boys. Get him up, Connor! Get him up! Keep going, Brigham! Keep going! Isaka, why are you behind that back four? Ben! Brigham!
Good idea, Joey. Good
Wami,
idea.
please.
Levi wide.
Brigham, where's your man? You all right?
Good call, Milo. Joey.
GQ,
Go.
10 yards from the ball.
Lucky, nice shot, nice shot. That's you, Eli.
Keep on your toes, GQ. Saka, well done. Run, make it run. Sebi, play the 10.
Levi, that's why you gotta be wide.
Take a breather, boy. Rest up. Take a breather, well done. Heads up. Hey. Yesterday, my college guys at St. Ace were horrendous for 20 minutes. Johnny,
Connor,
you're
wide.
in here. Connor, keep it up, Connor.
Good. Where's space? Well done, Will. It's okay.
Saka, stay central.
Good, Connor. Well done. Attack.
You're good, Johnny.
Well done, Caleb. Good run, Connor. Connor, good run.
Got to be tighter, Ben.
Timing, please. Hey, now we need
Easy,
to
John,
whack
that's your
the ball
ball.
at any opportunity.
Ben.
All right, you still got to
If he
find
goes
the right
in,
moment.
You go with him, yeah? Don't let him go. Look down the line.
And on.
Brigham, give him an angle to play back to you.
Men on, men on, men on.
Be aware behind you.
Eli, gotta release it sooner. Connor, you gotta go to that ball. You gotta be aggressive and go to that ball. Great ball.
Good, Henry. Good, Henry. Henry.
Connor,
Great until you
great
touch
corner.
the net.
Well done.
Hey,
All right,
now
you're
read
doing
the
great until
situation.
you touch.
Read it.
Saka, watch
We
the
need to
ball.
ball in.
Hey,
Back.
you
Right,
find
one
it.
way,
You're
asking
not
for
dealing
it.
with
Back.
anything there. Just space.
Yeah, sub.
Right back. Aiden, don't dive in. Contain, right?
Sub.
Early cross. Right? Early cross.
Aaron. Keep going, Aaron. Keep going, Aaron. Who's getting pressure on the ball?
Good shot, Wyatt. Only thing I'm gonna say.
Brayden.
Yeah, when you
Don't
jump.
stop.
Yeah, just
Keep
contain,
going
don't
with
dive
it.
in.
So he can't
Good work,
turn.
Levi.
Good, Johnny. Stay on your feet, Johnny.
Try to change the point of attack. You like to get inside. So you try and change the point of attack.
Going wide.
Levi's going for Connor. Wide. Connor, come and show for him.
1-2, 1-2, 1-2.
Eric, knock it and go. You can't let him beat you to the ball.
Come on, Eric. Come on, Eric. Tom, jump. Come on, Henry. Come on, Henry.
Again, Matt.
Ken, behind you. Ken.
Okay? Yeah, one of the reasons why he did as well.
Keaton, drop.
You
Keaton.
let him beat you.
That's you. Stay with Connor. Connor and Keaton together, boys.
Okay?
It's between you. Up, hit the charge. Be aware of where the white players are. Again, 3 versus 1. Where's my support? Well done. Way to drop. Where's my support? Kaden, Will.
Mark up, guys.
Support.
Follow. Help. Talk. Joey, talk. Who's Mark?
Sebastian, go up a little bit for the rebound. Different rebounds. Go. Kidsman, shift to the middle. Go, shift to the middle. Up, Sebastian. Good. Brayden, cut it out. Face the ball. Let's try to win the ball there. That's out.
Well done, Bill.
Stay, Cam. Good, soccer.
Good, Eli.
Catch it. That's your ball, Henry. Well done. Yeah, came off his toe on the way out. Attack the ball, Johnny. And Wami, slow down. Get it organised. Brigham, last one was great. Your timing on your drop was
Levi,
good.
wide!
Make sure you talk to the others to do the same. Jaden, get loose!
Bill, that's right.
It may not be pretty, but it causes problems sometimes.
Eli, Bill, talk to each other.
Drop off. Come on, Johnny, drop off.
Ball down and play, Luigi.
Yes,
Handball.
yes! Come on!
Handball.
That's like the exact same ball they just scored.
Bob
Refs up!
up and he had 2 hands on the ball.
Chase! Get out!
Bentley!
Go!
Good job, Will. Good job.
Bang!
Good try, Chad. Connor.
Wide, Levi. Wide, Beckett.
Connor, drop. Don't worry about it. You're good. You're doing just fine. Christian, let's get a hold of Christian. Hold it, Christian. Pass the ball, Henry. John, good idea. Connor, top of the box, bud. Anything that comes over, you can go clean out and sweep up with your feet, right?
Lincoln! There's a massive gap in the middle!
Connor's lead idea.
Lincoln, get
Let's
across.
the communication on the next one.
Back to him. Good.
Soccer, get into the midfield.
Levi!
Gio, show me throw on John. That's right, John. Drop off. Hey guys, get the ball before we play. Get the ball off. Heads. Goes away, Mwami. Slide over. Slide over. Want to go to Jacob's feet.
Levi, shield it by the way you face it.
What's out, Mike?
Caleb, push up. Let Bill take
That's
that.
you, John. Tight.
Go, Levi, wide.
Why you protect it, bud?
Wide.
Gio, you're too far from the ball.
Levi, don't drift in. Stay wide.
See, you are capable of that.
Use your little combinations there. Find your option.
Got him.
Come on, man.
Good, John.
See, Will. See, Levi, you should be wide. Yes, that's wide. Good.
That was a call. My defender did a great job there and won the ball. Johnny, well done. Oh my God, you look like a soccer team in there. Look at that. That's how you get out of the bag. Ah, Braden's going to be offside. Ref! Hey! Bolts! 1 and 2 touch, clean passes, clean receiving. We go from the back into the midfield. Well done. Saka, good.
Wyatt, you're going in for Will.
That's your pressure now. Let's leave on.
Stay on your feet, Johnny. Stay on your feet.
Eli, push up. Christian. Bill should be in front. You and Eli are behind him.
7 passes together coming out, and I knew he was going to be offside.
It was the whole time.
Braden, sometimes you got to circle your run out before forward.
What is going on?
Sasaki, you got to help him. Ben, tuck in.
Pressure boy.
Help bring him if you need extra.
Well, back here. Oh, yes, back leg.
Take a look along your line. Good.
No turn, no turn,
Johnny,
no
tell
turn.
him Wamby, he's got time there.
Well done, Cam.
And Wamby, well done.
You have to let me know if it's close to each other, alright?
Isaiah.
Thank God I'm looking the other way into that song. That way, right?
Channeling Peter Banks with a baseball cap.
Tackle. Get over, Henry. Get over, Henry. Open up. Open up. First time.
Hey, we have to get
good
the
hit.
Oh,
Good strike, Aaron. Brigham.
Time, Jackson.
You all right? I'll get used to it because you've got another 40 minutes to go.
Thank
Brigham,
you.
want light next half? Coffee.
Don't
Connor,
cheat
stay
in.
in the
Stay
game.
wide. Thank you.
All right, sort it out. Kiwami, get it organized. Johnny, stay. Johnny.
5 minutes.
Ben. Tuck over.
No, Christian, Jackson. Christian, you left back. Jackson, you up, buddy. Cristiano, go. Up, Jackson, up, quick.
Get there, Johnson. That's yours. Oh, my bad touch. Oh, you went right to the hand.
And Will, go to center. Okay, you gotta talk a lot.
Boys, chance to score!
Levi, you gotta win that.
All right, up we get. Four.
That's a classic. That's the first time I've been taken in 20 years.
Well done, Brayden. Come on, Sebby.
He said, let's be more dance. I have to go to the bathroom so bad. I think that's a direct quote.
Someone step up.
That's what I thought he got hit was that ball went off the first. You coach this age group in part because it's fun. I got my money's worth today.
Down the line, Levi, down! Go, Levi!
Levi, you...
There, Rob, we're covering out, boys!
Gio, go. Cristiano, shift in. Well done, Johnny. Kiwami, why are you out of the middle of the back four? Well done, John. Kiwami.
Boy,
That's a great idea, Bill. Great idea.
Come on!
Head up.
Honor.
Johnny, if Ben's out.
By wide, all the way to the touchline.
Connor, be ready.
You get it.
Good lad.
Caleb, where are you?
Connor, get up.
Recover, Will. Turning face. Turning face. Will, middle.
boys.
Joey, organize them.
Right, change it.
Everyone front.
Aaron, take a little breather. Sebby back up front. Amy will go in at the 10.
Wyatt, no, one on the wall.
Saka, come take a little breather.
Mark everyone up.
Slide in and go in the 6. Okay.
No, DJ, let the chem, DJ, chem, yep, let the chem take it.
Points.
Take your time, chem. Chem.